start, we have a dish called Dynamite, which consists of scallops, mushrooms, and onions, baked in Hiro-san's own creation, the spicy sauce. The first thing we need to prepare is the spicy sauce. The ingredients needed for 4 to 6 servings are 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of smelt eggs, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, and 1 tablespoon of chili red powder. Put them all into a soup bowl and mix thoroughly with a spoon. Now we are going to prepare the dynamite dish. The cookware required are a frying pan, a Pyrex bowl, and a toaster oven. The ingredients needed for 4 to 6 servings are 2 pounds of raw baby scallops, 3 4-ounce packages of shimiji mushrooms or your own choice of mushrooms, and 3 medium brown onions or any of your other favorite vegetables. Let's start by placing 3 tablespoons of your choice of cooking oil into frying pan at low to medium temperature. Now place the sliced onions in the pan and saute until brown. Then add the mushrooms and scallops in and continue to saute for 2 minutes. Remove all the contents from the pan and place into the Pyrex bowl and add spicy sauce. Place Pyrex bowl in toaster or oven and bake at 325 degrees for 4 to 5 minutes or until mayonnaise turns light to medium brown. Remove from oven and it's ready to serve. Another way to enjoy spicy sauce is to add it to any sushi rolls, especially the tuna roll.
This is tempura, Japanese way to deep fry seafood and vegetable.
Tempura is a Japanese way of deep frying food and vegetables. It's one of the most popular dishes in Japanese cuisine. The cookware required for making tempura are a mixing bowl, a deep fryer, an egg beater, a thermostat, a pair of tongs, a small saucepan, a cheese grater, paper towels, a flour sifter, toothpicks, and a knife. The ingredients needed are vegetable oil or oil of your own choice, 2 whole eggs, water, flour, soy sauce, sweet sake, ginger roots, daikon radish, raw shrimps, or your own choice of vegetables, and salt. To begin, we need to make the tempura batter. Break 2 eggs into a mixing bowl and add 3½ cups of cold water and beat with egg beater until bubbles appear. Then add 4¼ cups of flour into the mixing bowl by using the flour sifter. Continue to mix flour thoroughly with the egg beater until batter becomes a stringy texture. The next thing we need to prepare is the tempura sauce for dipping. Take a small saucepan and add 2 cups of hot water and ½ cup of sweet sake, ½ cup of soy sauce. Bring all the ingredients to a high boil. Then set this aside until ready to use. For more traditional Japanese tempura sauce, take daikon radish and ginger roots and grate them fine into a soup bowl. Add this ingredient into the sauce when ready to eat tempura. To prepare the shrimp before frying, we need to first cut the edge of the shrimp tail and remove the shell from the body of the shrimp. Leave the shell on the tail. Now to devein, simply use toothpick for removal. Take the shrimp and soak it in salt water and cut 1/3 deep on the stomach area. Repeat this same procedure 3 more times in 3 other different areas along the stomach. We will now lay the shrimp flat on its stomach side, and using both hands we will press down and make the shrimp flat and straight. We can also make the tempura with any kind of filet white fish and vegetables of your own choice. To make tempura, we recommend to use a home-style deep fryer which may be purchased at your local department store. Set the temperature at 325 degrees at all times while making tempura. Remember, tempura is best tasting when it's cooked for 3 to 4 minutes or to a golden color. Hiro will now demonstrate visually how to batter the shrimp, fish, and how to fry them.
Teriyaki sauce is Japanese-style barbecue sauce.
Teriyaki sauce is generally used to enhance the flavor of any cooked chicken, meat, seafood, or vegetable dishes. The ingredients are soy sauce, sake, sweet sake, raw ginger, garlic powder, cornstarch, and sugar. Let's begin by placing 1 cup of soy sauce, half cup of sweet sake, and 1/2 ounce of grated ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 1/2 cups of sugar into the saucepan and bring it to a boil. Now we use the strainer to remove the ginger first and set aside. In another saucepan, place 1/2 cup of sake and boil from 2 to 3 minutes. And then we mix the 2 cooked sauces together. Heat the mixed sauces again for 2 to 3 minutes. In a soup bowl, begin to mix 2 ounces of cornstarch and 3 ounces of tap water. Now, slowly into heated sauce, mix in cornstarch and stir frequently.
I would like to share one concept which I feel everyone will enjoy, and this is sushi party at the home.
Together with your close friends and relatives at your own home, make your own version of your most favorite hand roll and name it yourself. It's fun and the 90s way of entertainment at home, the healthy, warm, and most economical way to spend a great time with the people you love and care. Let's begin by making our own hand roll. The ingredients needed are seaweed, rice, wasabi, any kind of vegetable, seafood, meat, or poultry. First, take a seaweed, then wet your hand and grab rice the size of a large egg and make into an oblong shape. We now place the rice on the left side of seaweed and using our right index finger, press down on the middle of rice and spread rice to the right with finger to cover up to 1/3 of the seaweed. Using our right index finger, we will place a small amount of wasabi from top to bottom and then proceed to place our favorite seafood, vegetables, poultry, or meat on top of the rice. There are 2 ways to roll the seaweed. The first way is to roll it like a tortilla, and the other way will be to roll it like an ice cream cone. Have fun, eat right, enjoy making your own sushi at home.